Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sweet little cross. Now it was really easy to make, very simple, and it took me about an hour to actually make the whole thing, and that was with trying to let the paint dry, so I got the hairdryer on it to make it a bit quicker. Now with all my other projects, if you don't know me, it was the first time that you've seen me, I like to make things out of sticks and reuse and recycle most of the things that I use. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, it's the first time that you've seen me, there's lots of different things on my channels that you can choose from. You can scroll down, there's like Christmas items, there's hearts, which I absolutely adore, there's obviously loads of stick projects, so if you want to browse through them, that would be wonderful. If you've liked it, give me a little thumbs up. If you really liked it and new to the channel, then consider subscribing. And don't forget to press the notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.